Frustration is something when we expect something more than our abilities and that does not happen. That frustrates us. Over expectations. But in my life, honestly speaking, I do not expect much more than my abilities. I know my capability, I know my strength. I know I'm a person who controls nothing in my life. So why should I expect? I know people die. I know people broke. Why? People leave you. People ditches you. People love you. They like you. They do everything. This is what I have experienced in my last 40 years of life. Frustration is something we bring into our life. We welcome it. It was not there in my life when I was quite young or before my teenage, because I was just free. When I expect relationships or expect something from people, and I know that that will not happen. But when I was quite young, I was in my teenage, I used to expect it and I used to cry. But now I feel like I understood or I learned from mentors like you all that no, life is something which is not in your control. Do not frustrate, do not panic. If something can happen, why to frustrate? Relax, it will happen. If something cannot happen, why to frustrate? Because it cannot happen. Relax. So this is what we have learned from our life. Things go wrong, things go right. Enjoy every single bit. Enjoy the relationship with the people they are along, they are beside you. Then people who will come into your life are people are gone from your life. So this is what I understood from my life, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not perfect. Nobody's perfect, but I try to manage my life in such a way that I am a quite realistic person. Reality is things go wrong, things go right. So frustrated is something I don't know in my life, ladies and gentlemen. Try to ignore frustration. Thank you.